Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of self-care with a product that's been making waves in the market, the Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy. If you're looking for the best fresh smelling perfume for her, look no further. These shower steamers offer a luxurious spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. Let's explore what makes these shower steamers a must-have addition to your daily routine. Infused with natural essential oils, unlike many others packed with artificial fragrances. These shower steamers boast a heavenly lavender scent that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Say goodbye to stress and fatigue as these aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your bathtub, releasing potent essential oils to help you relax and rejuvenate. What sets these shower steamers apart is their longevity. Lasting longer than standard shower bombs, this set offers 15 pieces, more than similar products on the market. Each tablet is individually wrapped to ensure freshness, making them ideal for gifting or personal use. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of these shower steamers. From providing a relaxing spa-like experience to offering relief from stress and fatigue. These shower steamers have garnered praise for their strong scent and long-lasting effects. Plus, by supporting Body Restore, you're also supporting a small business. So, if you're ready to elevate your shower routine and indulge in some much-needed self-care, give the Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy a try. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay fresh and fabulous.